Have you ever lain awake at night, waiting for sleep, but sleep never comes? Your eyes stay open, your brain feels tired, but it refuses to shut down. You hold your head and think, it's just a little tiredness, nothing serious. But this is where a question begins. What happens if a human never sleeps? The answer is hidden inside the brain. The brain doesn't just think, it runs survival. And when sleep is missing, that system slowly starts to break under stress. During sleep, the brain repairs itself like a machine going in for service. That's why when we sleep, the body rests, but the brain keeps working. Sleep organizes memories. Important ones are kept, useless ones are cleared away. If this process stops, the brain slowly begins to overload. Just like a phone used all day without being charged. Charging is not optional. Without it, the phone shuts down. The brain works the same way. Sleep is the brain's charger. Without it, the system becomes unstable. And when sleep is ignored for too long, the brain starts sending warnings. This is not just tiredness, it's a signal that danger is about to begin.